What is happening, Wheels Up family? For today's vlog, I'm out here in one of the spots me and my boys ride at most of the time. It's pretty cool because it's like a track basically that you can just ride around. There's a few jumps down here through this little corridor. So I'm gonna try to get some video with the GoPro, with the drone. You got some aerial footage with the drone today. The drone that I'm using is a Dji Inspire 1. If you guys want any information on using drones, hit me up on my channel. I'll be happy to help you out with that. Here she is. Just got her sitting here for a couple of shots, and then I'll put some other clips in. As always, thanks for watching, guys. You know, I really appreciate a little bit of support that I'm getting. Yeah, I mean, I appreciate y'all. I hope y'all have a good day, blessed day, and yeah.